Welcome to the world of bifold doors. In this video, we will explore the ins and outs of these versatile and stylish doors. First, let's understand what bifold doors are. They are a type of door that folds concertina either in or out, creating a wide opening and allowing for maximum natural light and airflow. The benefits of bifold doors are numerous. They provide a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, adding a touch of elegance to any room. When it comes to design and construction, our slimline bifold doors are made with high-quality thermally broken aluminium and are fitted with the latest high-security stainless steel locking mechanisms. We offer stock colors of anthracite grey, jet black or white, and have the facility to powder coat them in any color of your choosing. Whilst it's more expensive to have bespoke color, this option can change the doors from a product that simply keeps the wind and baddies out to a furniture piece. Bifold doors have multiple applications in both residential and commercial settings. They are commonly used in homes, but we also install them in restaurants, hotels, and shops. When choosing bifold doors, cost considerations are important. Energy efficiency and insulation factors also play a role in making the right choice. And don't forget about customization options, as you can personalize your bifold doors to fit your style and needs. In conclusion, bifold doors are a versatile and functional addition to any space. There is a lot to know from their design and construction to installation and maintenance. So make sure to explore all the possibilities and choose the perfect bifold doors for your home or business. If you found this video useful, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel and share the video.